Important point related to unit digit of a number. Unit digit of 2 to the power 4 n equals to unit digit of 2 to the power 4 equals to 6. Unit digit of 3 to the power 4 n equals to 1. Unit digit of 5 to the power n equals to 5. Unit digit of 6 to the power n equals to 6. Unit digit of 10 to the power n equals to 0. Unit digit of 11 to the power n equals to 1. Unit digit of 9 to the power n equals to 1 if n is even, equals to 9 if n is odd. Unit digit of 4 to the power n equals to 4 if n is odd, and 6 if n is even. So these are the important points to be noted down. That how the unit digit of a number is calculated. Now how we will find the unit digit of 7 to the power 65, 641 and 3 to the power 57. First we will find the unit digit in 7 to the power 65. Here 65, we divide 65 by 4, we get remainder 1. So we can write here 4, 16 plus 1. 16 4 is 64 plus 1. Then 7, 16 into 4 plus 7 to 1. Here the remainder is 0. So we have to put here 7 to the power 4 plus 7 to the power 1. 7 to the power 4, we have learned that unit digit of 7 to the power 4 will be 1. And unit digit and 7 to the power 1 is 7. So here the unit digit will be 7. Similarly 6 to the power 41. Here 4 into 10 plus 1. So it will be 6 into, here the remainder is 0, 6 into 10 to the 6 into 40. Here the remainder is 0. So we write 6 to the power 4 to 6 to the power 1. 6 to the power 4. The unit digit of 6 to the power 4 is equals to 6, and unit digit of 6 to the power 1 is equals to 6. If we multiply 6 into 6, we get the unit digit 6. Unit digit of 6 to the power 41 equals to 6. Likewise, we have to do the next sum. 3 to the power 57. 3 to the power 57. Here also 3 into 56. 14 4 ja 56. 14 4 ja 56 plus 1. So here now we distribute it. 3 to the power 4 into 4 to 3 to the power 1. So here 3 to the power 56, the remainder is 0. So we write it 3 to the power 4 to 3 to the power 1. So the unit digit of 3 to the power 4 is 1, and here 3 to the power 1 unit digit is 3. So the unit digit will be 9. unit digit of 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 will be 3. So now we have got the unit digit of 7 to the power 65, it is 7, 6 to the power 41 is 6, and 3 to the power 51 is 3. Now we multiply these 3, 7, 6 and 3. So unit digit of 7 into 6 into 3 is 7 6 are 42 into 3 6 will be 6. Here we have to find the unit digit of 8 to the power 96 and 4 to the power 16. The unit digit of 8 to the power 96 is equal to 8 into 4 6. 4 in 8 to the power 4 into 24. So it is completely 96 is completely divisible by 4. So the remainder is 0 here. So we put here unit digit of 8 to the power 4. 8 to the power 4 is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 64, 6. Unit digit of 8 to the power 4 is 6. Unit digit of 4 to the power 16. Here 16 is completely divisible by 4. So unit digit of 4 to the power 4. Unit digit of 4 to the power 4 is 6. Now we have to subtract the unit digit of these two numbers. The unit digit of 8 to the power 96 minus 4 to the power 16 equals to 6 minus 6 equals to 0. So this is the answer. Now how to arrange the fraction into ascending and descending order. If the difference between numerator and denominator of a fraction is same, then the fraction with greater numerator will be greatest and the fraction with lowest numerator will be lowest. For example, see in this sum that the difference between the numerator and denominator is same of all the fractions. 12 minus 7 5, 16 minus 11 5, 17 minus 12 5, 18 minus 13 5, 36 minus 31 5. So in all the fraction the difference between numerator and denominator are same. So in this type of question the fraction with greatest numerator will be the greatest. Here the greatest fraction is 31 by 36 because the numerator here 31 is the greatest. And the lowest fraction will be 7 by 12 because here the lowest numerator is 7 in this fraction. So here the greatest fraction is 31 by 36 and the lowest fraction is 7 by 12. This is the trick to solve this kind of sum. When the difference between the numerator and denominator of a fraction is same, then the fraction with greater numerator will be greatest and the fraction with lowest numerator will be lowest. We have to find the 3/4. What is the 3/4 of 1/5 of the adjoining figure? In this figure, we see in the shaded portion is 1 by 2 because the shaded portion is 3 out of 6. 3 by 6 equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 portion is shaded. So we have to find the 3 by 4 of 1 by 5th of 1 by 2. So we have to find the 3 by 4th of 1 by 5 of 1 by 2 equals to 3 by 40. This is the answer. So here what is the 3 by 4th of 1 by 5 of adjoining figure? The given portion is half shaded because there are six parts and 3 parts are shaded. So 3 by 6 equals to 1 by 2. So we have to find 3 by 4 of 1 by 5 of 1 by 2 equals to 3 by 40. What are recurring decimals? A decimal in which one or more digits are repeated infinite number of times is called recurring decimals. What are recurring decimals? A decimal in which one or more digits are repeated infinite number of times is called recurring decimals. For example, 1.6. We put bar over 6. Here 1.6 we put bar over 6, so it is 1.6666 to infinity. Then here it is 1.46 bar over 23. So 1.462323 to infinity. So these are recurring decimals. Now the conversion of recurring decimals into fraction. Conversion of pure recurring decimal into fraction. Here 0.44 के ऊपर बार है, तो यहाँ पे जितनी बार बार है उतनी बार 9 नीचे लिखेंगे. 4/9. यहाँ पे 753 के ऊपर बार है 1.753. 3 नंबर के ऊपर बार है, तो यहाँ पे 999 लिखेंगे. 753/999 और पॉइंट के इधर 1 लिखा है इसीलिए +1 कर देंगे. तो इसका आंसर होगा 1752 डिवाइडेड बाय 999. कन्वर्जन ऑफ मिक्स्ड रिकरिंग डेसिमल्स इनटू फ्रैक्शन. 20.467. यहाँ पे 67 के ऊपर बार है, तो इससे कैसे लिखेंगे? 467 माइनस 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 990 प्लस 20 डेसिमल के इधर 20 लिखा है तो +20 करना होगा. उसके बाद हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो इतना आंसर आ जाएगा. 20,263 divided by 990. So in this way we convert the pure recurring decimal into fraction and mixed recurring decimal into fractions.